Yeah, good morning everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Cecil Purba. I am from Bina Nusantara University. So I am the author of this paper. Today, I'd like to deliver my research paper, which the title is The Effect of Running LED on the Formation of Basic Logic, Basic Understanding of Algorithms, Creativity, and Aptitude of Children on the 11th International Conference on ICT for Smart Society 2024. So this presentation includes introduction, research question, literature review, method, result, and discussion. And the last one is conclusion. And top of that, in the end of presentation, there will be Q&A session. So first, we will talk about the introduction of this paper. As we know that the development of technological times is very fast, and this is a big challenge for the world of education to adjust learning with adequate technology, especially to develop children's problem-solving skills. I found several main problems in this study. First, learning that is based on memorization and teacher-centered will be difficult to develop creativity in children. So, in Indonesia, some elementary schools in Indonesia still use the old curriculum that still use memorization. Secondly, the lack of computer skills in children, which is due to the lack of adequate facilities. Therefore, it is necessary to apply technology into learning to develop thinking skills and creativity in children. This is in accordance with the opinion of Yildirim and Yilmaz 2023, who emphasized that it is essential to integrate technology into learning practice for students. Oliveira et al. 2021 also revealed that activities involving robots have the potential to increase creative abilities in children. Moreover, Garcia 2024 said a pedagogical approach based on experimentation will build a solid foundation for students' logical thinking. So, technology is needed by students in this digital era to develop their thinking skills, creativity, and interests. Therefore, I integrate the running LED device into learning as my research. So, based on my research, this running LED is a very new technology in education. It is so new that we can call it a novelty. And yeah, this running LED is a combination of a series of pre-existing components. So there are the components. First is Arduino and LED lamp, jumper, breadboard, resistor, and USB cable. And it's designed to train children's basic logic on basic programming concepts such as instruction, sequence, conditional logic, and simple coding that regulates the flashing patterns of the light. So that the following research questions or problem formulations will arise. How is the effect of children's basic logic after using a running LED? How does running LED affect the understanding of basic algorithms? How does running LED affect children's creativity? And the last one is how does running LED affect children's aptitude? So next we jump to the literature review. First, Alves Oliveira et al. 2021 conduct a study on children's creativity using a designer robot and a programming language called Scratch. And the second, Wangenheim et al. 2019 in their literature use games like Splash Code to teach basic algorithms to students. The third, Botton et al. 2019 in their journal provided a systematic review of touchscreen applications to support children's creativity. And the last one is Chetinkaya et al. 2023 provide insights into spatial ability and the use of technology can affect children's aptitude in programming. The method of this paper I use is quantitative research and cost-experimental process-only random design, with the population and sample being students of State Elementary School 15 and State Elementary School 19 Palmerah, West Jakarta, with grades 5 and 6. The total number of students is 35 people, and I use profile sampling for this research. And also, data analysis technique I use is descriptive analysis method using a SPSS software. And data collection technique through observation and questionnaire. So for the experimental process only design, uh, this is the detail. Theirs is main without pretest, E is mean treatment in the form of running LED, and the last one is Y is the post-test to measure the basic logic, basic understanding of algorithms, creativity, and aptitude in children. These are the results descriptive analysis. The calculation will carry out using the SPSS program based on statistical criteria. So in this research, I use four criteria. The first, I use very bad criteria, good criteria, and the last one is very good criteria. So the variable basic logic, we has a good criteria, basic algorithm has a good criteria, creativity has a good criteria, and the aptitude has a good criteria. This is a polygon diagram of student performance. The yellow line is basic logic, blue line is basic algorithm, green line is creativity, and the red line is aptitude. From the polygon frequency data, there are two students who have very bad criteria, 5 students have bad criteria, 13 students have good criteria, and 15 students have very good criteria in the basic logic aspect. Furthermore, in the basic algorithm aspect, there is one student who has very bad criteria, 3 students have bad criteria, 26 students have good criteria, and 5 students have very good criteria. In the creativity aspect, there are 4 students who have very bad criteria, 11 students have very bad criteria, 18 students have good criteria, and 2 students have very good criteria. And the last one, in the aptitude aspect, there are 3 students who have very bad criteria, 4 students have bad criteria, 11 students have good criteria, and 17 students have very good criteria. From there, we can see the findings, limitations of the study, recommendations for future research, and also the implication of this research. First, these findings suggest that the use of running LED media can be an effective learning tool to introduce basic programming concepts and problem solving to elementary school students. Then the second is limitation of the study. The research sample used in the study was limited, and the quasi-experimental process-only random design did not accurately describe the effect of running LED. And third, recommendations for future research are to expand the research sample, use a more rigorous research design, and explore long-term effects. But the implication of these results are very important in the context of education. First, the use of running LED can assist teachers in developing more interactive and engaging learning methods for students. Second, the application of running LED media into educational practice can significantly improve children's cognitive and creative abilities as well as their future problem-solving skills. From the findings that we already know, we can conclude that the result of the study showed that running LED media has positive influence on the formation of basic logic, basic understanding of algorithms, creativity, and aptitude in elementary school children. The second, the majority of students scored good to excellent on all four aspects, with the most notable improvement seen in the basic logic and aptitude aspect, where most students reached the excellent criteria. Third, the result of this study provides strong empirical evidence to support the integration of interactive technologies such as running LED in the primary education curriculum, particularly in an effort to improve 21st century skills for students. And yeah, that's all for the presentation of this research. Thank you for your attention.